Okay, so here's the habaki as it stands right now. I'm making the spacer. I had already made a spacer and it failed miserably. I just didn't make a big enough piece. So what I'm doing currently right now is creating this spacer right now, and I'm trying to level that off. That's going to be the shelf that the sharpened area of the blade actually sits on. But yeah, so it fits in there, and I just have to finish making it, and I'm actually going to solder it on while this whole piece is attached. This is also going to serve as the other habaki for the tanto as well. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Just gotta file the rest of that down, try and smooth out that groove right there. Like I said, it does fit already in there, but you know, I gotta fix that before I can do anything else. Anyway, thought I'd give you guys an update.